children, in this video we are going to solve a revision worksheet in the lesson 13, Fields and Fences. Before starting to solve any worksheet, we must remember the important points. So let's think about the very important points about the fields and fences first for a few minutes, then we'll continue the revision worksheet. Perimeter. The length around a figure or a shape is called perimeter, which is also known as boundary length. It is measured in units of length, that is centimeter or meter, etc. Kilometer. If it is a large field, it will be measured in kilometer also. Perimeter of any figure is equal to the sum of lengths of all the sides. Perimeter of square. Let's consider a square of ABCD. AB in the square ABCD is a side. BC is another side. CD is another side. DA is another side. Here the perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Here a square means all the sides are equal. So let's write AB for all the sides. So here the perimeter is equal to AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. That is 4 times we have to add up AB. So instead of repeated addition, we can do multiplication so that the perimeter is equal to 4 into one side. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Let's see about the rectangle PQRS. So the long side is length L, the short side is breadth B. Perimeter of a rectangle. Now perimeter of the rectangle PQRS is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Here opposite sides are equal, that is the property of rectangle, so that PQ is equal to SR. And also QR is equal to PS or SP. So the perimeter is equal to PQ plus SP plus PQ plus SP. Here 2PQ plus 2SP. So 2 into PQ is the length and SP is the breadth. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Next let us see about the perimeter of a triangle. Let us consider a triangle ABC. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of all the lengths of its sides. So AB plus BC plus CA. So finally perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the lengths of its sides. Next is the perimeter of irregular figures. Let's consider a irregular shape. From the given shape, we understood that the sides are not equal. So irregular figures are figures that don't have equal sides or equal angles. Perimeter of irregular figures is equal to sum of length of all the sides. So the perimeter of the given irregular figure is equal to GH plus HI plus IJ plus JK plus KL plus LG. Next is area. Area is the amount of surface it covers. We can measure area using unit squares. The standard unit for measuring area is square of unit size. Area of a square with side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. Simply 1 SQ.cm. Here, two examples given. One is that yellow shaded area, that is area of a square. The red shaded one is the area of rectangle. Another one is the irregular shapes area. Here, to find this irregular shapes area, we have to count the number of squares. If we count the squares, that blue shaded squares, then it will be the area of the irregular shape. So here area equal to number of squares, which is equal to 18. So 18 square units. Next, let's start to solve the revision worksheet. Part 1, filling the blanks. Question 1, the length around a figure or shape is called its perimeter. Question 2, perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 8 centimeter. Here, equilateral triangle means all the three sides are equal. So, 3 into one side is equal to 8 into 3 equal to 24 centimeter. Question 3, and dash is the amount of surface a figure covers. And area is the amount of surface a figure covers. Question 4, perimeter of a square is equal to dash into length of one side. We all know that the square's sides are all equal. There are 4 sides for a square. So 4 into length of one side. Question 5. An area of a square with side 1 centimeter is dash. An area of a square with side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. Simply 1 SQ.cm. Part 2. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. The length of boundary of a rectangular field with the length 9 meter and breadth 5 meter. Let us consider a rectangular field. Okay, its length is 9 meter and its breadth is 5 meter. So here, the boundary of rectangular field means the perimeter. So opposite sides are equal. Here also 9 and here 5. So perimeter P is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5, or we can use the formula also. So the answer is 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. 28 centimeter. Sorry, meter. As the unit is given in meter, the answer is option C, 28 meter. Second question. Reena bought a ribbon of 500 centimeter to decorate the sides of her square cake. Each side measures 30 centimeter. Find out how much ribbon will be left with her after decorating the cake. So the length of the ribbon is 500 centimeter. Length of the ribbon is 500 centimeter. After the decoration, okay, how much is left? The remaining portion of the ribbon is asked. The cake side is 30 centimeter and it is a square shaped cake. So this is the cake, which is a square shaped cake, and each side is 30 centimeter. Okay, so the boundary length or perimeter of a square shape is equal to 4 into side. Here one side is 30. 4 into 30 equal to 120 centimeter. What they are asking, the leftover ribbon only they are asking. So that actual length of the ribbon is 500 centimeter. That 120 is to be subtracted. So that the answer is 0, and we have to cut and borrow 10, and this will become 4. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 4 minus 1 is 3. The answer is 380 centimeter. Question 3. Naina wants to stitch lace around the sides of her doll's pillowcase, which is having a length of 15 centimeter and breadth 12 centimeter. How much lace is needed? What they are asking, wants to stitch a lace around. Lace around means perimeter of the doll's pillowcase. Okay, it is a rectangular shaped one because 15 centimeter length and breadth is 12 centimeter. So the pillow should be like this. The case should be like this shape, and the length is 15 and the breadth is 12. Okay, what they're asking, perimeter. So here also 15, here also 12. The perimeter is 15 plus 15 plus 12 plus 12. So the answer should be 15 plus 15 is 30. Okay, and 12 plus 12 is 24. The final answer is 30 plus 24 is 54. So 54 centimeter is the final answer. Which of the following is the formula for perimeter of a square? 4 into side. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 5. Divide the shape into 4 equal parts and find out how many squares in each part. First step, we have to divide the given shapes or the squares into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts means division. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 2, 16 are there. So let us separate first 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So 4 equal parts separated. Now each part, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. So the answer is 4 squares. Part 3. Solve. Question 1. Find out the field which is having least boundary. Here, two questions A and B are given. Let's find the boundary length of each shape one by one. Let's consider shape A. It's an irregular shape. So here the length of the boundary of field A is equal to sum of all the sides. Let's start from one side. Here, let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here, so 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. When we add all these numbers, we'll get 40 centimeter as the answer. Let us consider the B shape, that is the rectangular shape. Its length is 15 centimeter and its breadth is 7 centimeter. So the length of the boundary of a field B is equal to, as it is a rectangle, 2 into L plus B. So let us add first 15 plus 7, which is equal to 22. So 2 into 22 is equal to 44 centimeter. Let's read the question again. Find out the field which is having least boundary. Okay, least boundary means the shape A is having 40 centimeter. So that is having least boundary. So field A is having least boundary. Question 2. Rahul wants to put a frame around a square picture that is having a side of 6 centimeter. How many centimeter of frame would be required for 3 such pictures? Let us consider a small square picture. There are 3 such square pictures are there. So here, what we have to do first? We have to find the boundary length or perimeter of one square picture first. Then that should be multiplied by 3 to get the required framework for 3 such pictures. So let's see the first one. The perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So frame required for a square picture with the side 6 centimeter is 4 into 6 centimeter, which is equal to 24 centimeter. Frame required for 3 such pictures is equal to 3 into 24 is equal to 72 centimeter. Question 3. Srijit is an athlete and every morning he used to run around a rectangular ground. The length of the field is 100 meter and breadth is 80 meter. How much distance will he cover? Let us draw a rectangle. There is a rectangular ground. Its length is 100 meter and its breadth is 80 meter. What is the question? How much distance will he cover? And also there is a word run around. Around means boundary. Boundary length is the distance. So let's solve this problem. Here the length is equal to, length of the rectangular field is equal to, or ground is equal to 100 meter and breadth be equal to 80 meter. Perimeter of rectangular ground, which is equal to 2 into L plus B. So the distance covered by Srijit in one round is 2 into 100 plus 80. 100 plus 80 is 180. So 2 into 180 we have to calculate. So 2 into 180 is 360 meter. Question number 4. Find the perimeter of the triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of length of all the sides. So the answer is 4 plus 6 plus 5, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Question 5. Find the area by counting squares. There are 3 questions given, A, B, C. Let's see one by one how to solve. Number of full squares is equal to 17. We have to start counting from here. The full squares 1, 2 like this, and here it will become 17. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 squares are there. Number of half squares 2. Where here there is one half square and here there is another one half square. Okay, so 2 half squares are there. 2 half squares is equal to 1 full square. So area of the given figure is equal to 17 plus 1 is equal to 18 square centimeter. For the picture B, how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4 full squares are there and then half squares. How many half squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 half squares are there. 8 half squares is equal to 4. Let's see the area of the given shape B. Number of full squares is equal to 4. Number of half squares is equal to 8, which is equal to 4 full squares. Area of given figure is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 square centimeter. Now let's count in question C. Here the full squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And the half squares, how many half squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half squares, isn't it? 4 half squares. So the area is 4 half squares means 2 full squares. So here number of full squares is 6. Number of half squares 4, which is equal to 2 full squares. So area of given square is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8 square centimeter.